Hello students, how are you today? Are you ready to learn now? Okay, let's go. So this topic for this morning is all about parts of the body. Remember, it is important to identify the different parts of our body so that we are aware the usage of each part. So, to start with, our first part of the body is, what is this? Okay, so this is our head. So this part of our body is what we call our head. Next part is hair. So this part is our hair. Everybody touch your hair. So what is the color of your hair? Yes, the color of your hair is color black. Very good. Next part is we have our eyes. So our eyes is used for see something. So how many eyes do we have? So we have 2 eyes. One here on the right side and the other here on the left side. So we have here eyes. Next, what is that? So this is our nose. Everybody touch your nose. So this part of our body is what we call nose. So our nose is used for smelling. And next is our mouth. Very good. So this part of our body is what we call our mouth. So our mouth, this one, is we use for eating our food or we use for speaking, just like now. I am speaking and I am using my mouth. Next ear is our ears. So we have here our ears. So how many ears do we have? We have 2. One here on the left side and the other here on the right side. So this is our ears. Next, is our neck. This one. So this part of our body is what we call our neck. So our neck connects our head and our body. So that is the use of our neck. Next, we have arms. So we have here our arms. How many arms do we have? Yes, we have 2 arms. Here is our left arm and here is our right arm. We have here arms. We have 2 arms. So our arms, it connects to our next part of the body, which is shoulders. So we have here shoulders. How many shoulders do we have? So we have 2. Everybody touch your shoulders. Very good. So this part of our body is what we call shoulders. Next, this one. What do you call this? This part of our body is what we call hands. So how many hands do we have? So we have here the other hand and we have here the other hand. So we have 2 hands. Hands on the left and hands on the right. Next, so in our hands, we have fingers. We have here fingers. So how many fingers do we have in our hands? Very good. So we have 10 fingers. Okay, everybody, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 fingers in our hands. What do you call this again? Very good. So this is our fingers. What is this? Are you familiar with this part of the body? Okay, so this is what we call our legs. So we use our legs to walk. How many legs do we have? So we have 2 legs. So it is important to take good care of our legs so that we can walk properly. Next is feet. Everybody say feet. Okay, so we have feet. This feet, we use this where we wear our shoes. How many feet do we have? Very good. So we have feet, 2 feet. If it is 1, we call that foot, just like our eyes. If it is 1 only, we call it eye. If it is 2, eyes. Next, in our feet, we have toes. Very good. So that is our toes. How many toes do we have in our feet? So just like in our hands here, we have 10 fingers. So in our toes, we have 10 also. So that is our part of our body. Can you remember? Okay, to start with, we have here our head, eyes. We have here our eyes. This one is our ears. This one is our nose. This one is our mouth. This one is our shoulder. This one is what we call our neck. So we have here 2 arms. And this one is hands. And we have here fingers. And on the lower down, we have legs, feet, and toes. So remember, it is important to take good care of our body so that we can keep our body healthy. And if we are healthy and strong, we can study more. So that's all for today. Thank you, students, for your attention. See you again next time.